Hello everyone, today we will be drawing YBN Nahmir. Sorry if I butchered his name, but as you can see, kinda was already trying to draw earlier, but I don't know if that's what I'm gonna go with, but I guess it's gonna kinda be like a step by step. So what you're gonna start with is a basic line. It really helps like accuracy when you're just trying to be precise. And then basically across. If you're trying to be like precise when you're drawing it. Okay, so next step is gonna be the eyelashes. So you're gonna draw one right here. Just make one little mark. And about right here, you're going to put a little mark. Now, for the bottom of this one, you're gonna put one right there. For this one, you're just gonna make like a triangle. And finish it off right there. This one is just gonna stay there. But let's put a little, because there's gonna be hair there. And no, I'm not tracing. Let's see. So next step, you're gonna draw a little thing. I don't know what it's called, but above the eye, you're gonna draw one right here. Kind of cut it off some, and that's basically the whatever you call those. And so next step, you're just it's gonna be the eyes. You're gonna do that. Right about here, you're gonna put a little, cut it off about there. Now, let's see. About like that. I kind of missed that one. That looks weird. Just get it until you get it right, Now, for the little eyeball thing, I'm gonna put like, let's see, about right here. For the sun. Go about right there. I'm gonna color it in, shade it in, I meant. Okay. So your next step is gonna be the nose. You're gonna start off right about right here. And you're just gonna draw a little kind of sort of like a W. Get a little bump at the bottom. And that's the nose. So your next step, and we'll go ahead and erase this. Your next step's going to be the hair. Let's go ahead and erase these guidelines. Okay. Keep that up there a little, I'll go with the hair. Probably just gonna do what I was doing earlier. You're gonna start off like, make a little mark. And just gonna do what I did earlier. Because I think that's probably the best I'm gonna get to here. You're just gonna kind of make like a little curve, right here. Basically do the same thing. So you're gonna cut it off like that. And that's where the eyebrow ends. And you can do that. Now let's go ahead, put where that part of the eyebrow ends. That's about half the head. So let's erase this. Basically just, get a little something going here. hair's pretty easy, I think, in my opinion. Here, let's go ahead and put the ear. Does it take long? Okay. Hair's pretty much easy. I mean, the only problem I've had with drawing hair, I got that voice crack though, was when I was drawing anime girls. Their hair's kind of confusing. And dreads are sort of confusing, but I've gotten used to it because I draw X a lot. So, let's go ahead and do that. It's gonna be sort of messy. Okay. So we're about halfway done with the hair. A little more. Let's go ahead. Do something like that. You're gonna cut it off right there. Now, you're just gonna do a little trick right here. I like to call this the loop-de-loop. Yeah. Okay. So let's put that right there. Now we're gonna end the hair right about there. Because in this drawing, he's holding a gun. So yeah. So, once you get that done, that's the hair. So I'll give y'all time to do that, and I'll be erasing these. Kind of neaten them up. Okay. Now that we got that, let's go ahead and do the mouth. It's probably the hardest part. To be honest, I'm glad. I'm just gonna keep it like it was earlier. And just do like a little oval, sort of like football, you know? And, let's do like something like that. Draw a little U. And this is a pretty good tip when drawing mouths. Because his mouth's open in this drawing. So just like, something like that. Now we're gonna add some teeth. It's good, somewhere there. Oh, that's good enough for the mouth. Probably butchered it, but this is my version of how to draw him. So, it doesn't matter really. So now let's go ahead and get the chin down, because that's really important for this drawing. It's pretty easy. Right here, you're just going to close it off, sort of. You know, keep that curve going. Meet it to that end. Okay, so now, let's go ahead and do something like that. Except, no. We'll do something like this. We'll do something like that. You know what I'm saying? Somewhere here. I'm gonna kind of like start drawing the gun. So the gun has a little cross-like shaped thing, T-shaped on it thing. I don't know what you call it. You gotta draw that right there, and then we're gonna go ahead and put this down here. Start, you know, shipping out the gun. You're gonna basically do like a 3D square right there. And let's go ahead and put the little hole thing. Just do like a little circle, you know. Then you're gonna go like that. And that's basically your gun right there. Well, the main part of it. And you're gonna continue your little thing. Line that up to there. Let's get that to help us sort of like get it more better. There we go. Okay. Let's see. This is kind of hard. Okay. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw his hand that's holding the gun. But let's go ahead and do this. This is basically the magazine area. You're going to draw sort of like upside down shield, you know. Right there, there's a magazine. Now we're going to start drawing his hands. So, let's go ahead and move a little cross right there. Kind of help us, you know. Okay, so okay, this is pretty easy. I mean, hands are one of the hardest things to draw, but you know, practice makes perfect. I'm getting better at it. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put a little nail right here. Get the finger right down here. And get off about right there. There, that's perfect. Now what you can do is erase that little guideline. And you're just going to continue. There's almost done. You can put a little, that's his collar. You can do this. You know, gonna quickly do that. That's basically it for the hand. Yeah, that's it for the hand. So that. Okay, now what you're gonna do? Let's see, about right there. You're gonna draw the collar of his shirt, but let's put his shoulder first, cause you know he needs a shoulder. And let's get on this side, but we're gonna cut it off a little right there. And there's his shoulder. So now we're gonna work on the shirt collar. That's probably too big, but we'll fix that. Let's go ahead and draw a little line. What would you call it? Basically U, but you can basically a J, a lowercase J without the little line. And you see, that's a J basically. You go curve right there, you know. And now you're going to put the collar on the shirt, and he is almost done. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna erase my guidelines. Basically, this is basically it on how to draw him. Well, you know what? I forgot one thing. You gotta shade the eyebrows in. But yeah, this is basically it on how to draw him. I guess I'll just finish it up some, you know, make it neat. And yeah. If y'all want a coloring tutorial on this, let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna be doing a Copic coloring video on this, maybe, using my Copic markers. And yeah, that's basically how to draw YBN. Hope y'all enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.